I'm Cobra Murray, Redeeming Development Group.
Chris Hodges with Redeeming Development Group.
Our goal is to try to find a way to meet the middle ground between affordability and quality, and to provide the best possible product at the best possible price.
So from purchasing the properties ourselves through our in-house capital, through designing the properties through our in-house design team, through using our creative partnerships that we've built over the last 10 years, being in and around the business, to really maximize the value we're able to give the clients.
Our goal here is not to make lots of money and build lots of houses. We don't measure our business success by that standard. We want to build a community, and we want to experience life-giving friendship for many years to come. And in order to do that, we have to commit to working with people, to walking alongside of them, and to spending a lot of time and energy and money on making a difference in the place that we call home.